FastCap's 2P10 Solo Kit. So it comes with a 2.25 ounce thick viscosity glue and a 12 ounce can of activator. This is a cyanoacrylate glue, and when used with the activator, it's going to bond in 10 seconds, full cure in 30 seconds, and you get a 4,000 PSI bonding strength. So this stuff is basically magic. Just take your glue, apply it to one of the mating surfaces that you want to bond. Then you can take your activator, spritz it on the other mating surface that you're going to bond, just like that. And then when you stick these together, you have about 2 to 4 seconds of working time to get it lined up. And in 10 seconds, it's going to be fully bonded. After 30 seconds, you'll have a full 4,000 PSI cured joint. So here we are, about 10 seconds. That's plenty strong to work with. And let's wait till 30. After 30 seconds, I cannot break that. Even try it with a hammer. That's a strong joint. And so you can see when that failed, that actually tore the laminate apart in my plywood. The glued joint is still intact. It's stronger than the plywood.